Good morning, everybody. We're here at the tire shop. Got the fuel vectors here, the boxes. Getting those put on this morning. Also over here, gonna wrap those fuels with BFGoodrich all-terrains. Went with the 275/65. I think these will look pretty good. It's about a 34-inch tire, so that'll pair nicely with the 3-inch lift. There shouldn't be any rubbing with that size tire on this truck. Yep. About to get started here. Go ahead and get this installed. Get these stock wheels off. Change out these limited style alloys to the new fuels. See how the truck looks. Truck is up on the lift. Taking the stock wheels off. Got to move the TPMS sensors over to the new fuel wheels, so they're taking care of that now. Guys got the wheels off the truck. Up on the lift. There's the new tires over here. They're gonna change out the TPMS sensors. The fuel wheels over here. We got one of the wheels wrapped here. The all-terrain looks pretty good. They're getting the other ones going now. These mounted on the vehicle soon. The guys got the wheels balanced and tires mounted. They're about to start installing now. Look pretty good on the truck. So we got the wheels and tires installed. Got the truck up on the alignment rack right now. Getting that adjusted. Pretty close to in spec with a 3-inch lift. We're gonna get that all green, get it riding right. I heard something. Just in the front, probably. Yeah, it's just in the front. Truck is off the lift, backing it out now. The new wheels and tires on. Got a little bit of scrub. I'll have to mold that plastic piece with the 34s. Alright, so the truck just came off the alignment rack. Got everything back into factory spec. I'll show the before and after on the alignment, show you how everything looks. It's a 3-1 Toytech Ultimate lift, 3 inches in the front. You can see the new strut there. Put the SPC adjustable upper control arm on. In the rear, got 2-inch coach builder shackles. Went with a 20-inch fuel vector. 34-inch BFGoodrich all-terrains. This is a 275, 65, 20. I'll show you the stance here, just down the side of the vehicle. So slightly aggressive stance. Tires are poking out just a little bit. The truck still has a little bit of rake, which I like because I do haul tools and trailers. So the rear is sitting up probably, I think it's like 1.25 inches higher than the front. But overall, very happy with the look of the truck. I think it turned out great. Really happy. Took it up here to Cram Tire in Atlanta. These guys did a great job. They got me in early this morning. Took care of everything. This is it.